Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the corporate world. Today we're diving into Oppenheimer Holdings' recent filing. It's like looking behind the curtain of a magic show, except instead of rabbits, we're looking at numbers. And sometimes those numbers disappear too. This document is basically a snapshot of how Oppenheimer Holdings was doing as of April of 2025. It's a Form 8K, which companies use to tell investors about significant events. In this case, they're announcing their earnings for the first quarter of 2025. So let's see how their financial health looks. The main point here is the company issued a press release about its first quarter earnings in April of 2025. We can find that press release attached as an exhibit to this report. It includes all the juicy financial details we're after. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so it looks like they're reporting on their financial results. The most important thing we can tell from this is that Oppenheimer had a good or bad quarter. Now let's go over Oppenheimer Holdings. It's important to remember they aren't your typical corner store. They're in the financial services industry. That means they help people and companies manage their money and investments. It's a business where trust and stability are super important. Think of them as financial advisors and brokers. Importantly, that's the only part of the report provided. Okay, so given what we know, what can we say about Oppenheimer? It's tough without the actual earnings details, but there are a few possible scenarios. If the earnings release shows big profits, it could mean Oppenheimer's strategies are working well and clients are happy. It would signal strength and good management. On the other hand, if they report losses or shrinking revenue, it might suggest some challenges. Maybe the market isn't doing well, or maybe they're losing clients to competitors. What really matters is understanding the context. Are they growing compared to their rivals? Is the overall economy helping or hurting them? Do they have any big risks looming, like a potential lawsuit or regulatory change? To know more, we'd have to dig into that missing press release. The numbers tell a story, but you need the whole story to understand what's really happening. Did their profits soar due to clever trading or drop because of a market crash? Without it, we're just guessing. In conclusion, Oppenheimer Holdings filing hints at a quarter of financial results, but without that press release, we're just left with the basics. Thanks for tuning in to Corporate Decoder, where we try to make sense of the corporate world, one filing at a time. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Decoder content.